So you see the reflection difference? Boom. So
style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
I don't know if you can see the difference. Get close. See this right here? And look at this right here. This back. See the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you see the reflection difference? Boom and boom. So we still need to polish it. We just cut this. But this scratch right here isn't getting removed, so I'm gonna have to sand it. And I'm hand sanding it right now with I think this is 1000 grit. And it'll look horrible at first. I'm barely putting any pressure. I know a lot of people like to wet sand, but from what I've seen, it takes forever because it just makes your paper hydroplane. Just trying to keep the pressure even with the pan. And we'll see what we get after this. Yeah. So I had it all scratched up. I hit it with the heavy cut compound, which is this one. Let me show you. That one right there. And it looks like it took off the scratches. So then after this step, you go on and hit it with the medium cut. And I hit it with this white wool pad right here from Shine Supply. So right now I'm taking off the little scratches that I missed. Can you see that little white spot, Mama? My camera lady. My daughter is my camera lady. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you can see that one. I've just got to hit that one, this one. Right here I had another one, so I'm hitting that one. And then again, I'll hit it with the heavy cut compound. Get that smoothed out. Then hit it with the medium cut and then polish. But we'll keep going step by step. Oh, over here, look, there's a clear big old scratch right here. You guys can see this is what it looked like before. Then you hit it with the 1000, and you want to get one of these, what are these called? Like intermediate pad, so it can even out the pressure on it, because you don't want to hit it with your hand and get direct pressure and over sand. Then you're taking off the gel coat, the paint, whatever. Then it'll look nasty. Okay? You understand that, love? You understand? There's gonna be a test after this. All right, we'll keep going. You can see this line right here. You see that? That little scratch right there. So put my finger out while I was with the polisher and with the rotary, hit the back of the disc. See? It's gone. See that? Okay. So I really scratched it all up right here. And I wiped it down, wiped all the dust down. And now I'm gonna hit it with this, because as you can see, it leaves it sanded, of course. Leaves it all scratched up. See this part? So I'm gonna hit it with the polisher with the 400 heavy cut. So as you can see, it's still coming off. See that? Scratches look a little better though, right? The same thing, just a little bit slower. Maybe that'll take care of it faster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Take a look at that. How's that look, Mama?
Really good.
I'll go to the other one, to the one that how it used to look. That's how it looked before. Now I'm gonna hit this part. All right, so as you can see,
With your iPhone.
see where the scratch was. And then I have some tape right here splitting them in the middle. Difference between polished and not polished. Remember, the whole thing was washed already. I'm gonna take those scratches off next. All right, this is scratch number 2 right here. It wouldn't come out with the buffer, so we're using the dry sanding. And all I'm doing is lightly hitting it with 1000 grit. You can see it starts disappearing until the scratches look nice and even. That's all we're doing is scratching the surface. See, disappeared. Nothing there. We'll hit the whole thing like that, the whole scratch, all of it. Lightly, no pressure. Take your time. Hit that stuff off of your sanding paper a little bit. Or else you're just kind of moving it across the surface without doing anything. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one, and then we'll go ahead and go to the heavy cut. All right, so I've cut all this from here that way. I'm gonna finish cutting this. Then I'm gonna have my son, which is getting out of high school right now. He's a freshman. He's gonna grab the other one and start with the medium cut with the yellow wool pad, which is a medium one. And then after that, we'll hit it with a polish. So first it's a cut, then it's a medium. The heavy cut, then it's a medium cut, then it's the polish to make it shine really good. So the way we do it, I just put a little bit more since it's already got some on it. Okay, so I just did a cross here, cross here, cross here, cross, or line there. And I just spread it right here on like a level 1. First I went like this, put it on there. Then with the level 1, I spread it out slowly. And now I'm about to hit it with like a 2.5 speed. I'm gonna go up, down, and you're gonna take half of it every time you go past it. You go like this, when you come back up, you're gonna go half of it. So hit that line like that. You're gonna go up, down, side to side, up, down, and you're done. All right. I'm gonna record this so we can do fast speed. Now we do the side to side. And then I'm gonna hit it up and down one more time, and then it'll be done. So you get the point. You just cut it, mama.